Hello everyone. This is the index view page of your system. The index view gives you access to the major indices of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The left hand side of the page gives you live statistics of the market along with the predictive index. We have already calculated the index PE and that can be made available on request. The FIPE and the LEAP data is also available on end of day basis, allowing our users to easily analyze the outflow and the inflow into the market. The corresponding chart in the middle section of the page is reflective of the daily movement as well as the intraday movement. For a more comprehensive technical analysis, please click on the technical charts tab to further highlight the feature. Moving down, one interesting feature that we have added here are these red dots. So the top bar is the volume bar and the lower one is the value bar. So the red dot is basically the previous day volume in the volume bar and the previous day value in the value bar. So you can easily compare what the volumes were like compared to the previous day and what the values were like compared to the previous day as well, just to give you an idea of where the market is heading and how it is performing. There is a news announcements, research and board meetings section which is arranged here on the right hand corner. For a comprehensive list of contributors on our research panel, please visit us on www.mg-link.net. The announcements are automatically updated to the system as they happen into the market. A subsequent download as PDF is also readily available. If you click on the research tab and the board meeting information, this is also available as a downloadable PDF for later ready reference. If we scroll down on the page, this brings us to sectors, constituents, trade monitor, index drivers, FIPE, LEAP, free float, MSCI, MTS, MF and NDM. Sectors are available with market cap, sector weightage in the index, the impact of today's market trading in terms of points, sector PE, volume. So all this information is available here. Clicking, you can also sort them by net gainers and net losers. Clicking on the constituents tab, you can always click on the show all, or you can see the top 10 within the sector. This is based on their presence in the index. Individual index weightage of the company is also highlighted. You can sort the sector again based on net gainers, net losers of the day. Just a click away is information on the sectors who turned out to be clear winners and clear losers, gainers and losers on a particular trading session. Similar data is also available for sectors that have lost out. You can easily maneuver through the different statistics amongst the constituents such as volume, net gainers, net losers, point gainers, point losers, free float, active movers and show all. If we go to the trade monitor, allows you to build your own portfolio, so you can add your own stocks here, and it allows you to see and use your own portfolio as a basis of where the market is heading. Under the heading of index drivers, if you see, you can find all the economic indicators pertaining to that particular sector. Clicking in the index drivers opens a chart that graphically depicts the dates on which the discount policy was announced, as well as the impact on the market on that announcement date. Further drill down of the statistics includes GDP, trade, inflation, remittance, foreign investments when you open the subsequent successive tabs. It also provides you with information on the FIPLIPI, explaining on a daily basis the money that is flowing in from the different sectors. So it gives you an overall view of how and where the money is actually flowing in and which sector it actually is hitting. This can be further analyzed in terms of your investors, sectors and actual number data. So you can sort it by investor, you can sort it by sector. Moving on to the free float, sector wise free float is also available. This includes data for companies part of the MSCI and is further categorized into large cap, mid cap and small cap companies. Salient feature of this page obviously includes live data for all KSE indices and scripts, detailed quotes and analysis, detailed views for indices, sectors and all PSX companies, live announcements and board meeting updates, research reports from the top brokerage houses, FIPLIPI, free float and market drivers, and the fundamental data that is here. We hope that this video has been helpful in understanding this page. Stay tuned for our other videos to have a look at all the other data constructs that your system has. Thank you very much.